What's going on, guys? My name's Trent and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing something a little different in that I'm not going to be modifying the Miata. I'm actually going to be working on a 1999 Toyota Solara. And what makes this kind of unique is it's my grandpa's car. So this little modification is 100% my grandpa's idea. Keep in mind he's 91 years old and he wanted to do his fog lights in like a neon lime green. So originally he was looking for like bulbs, but I don't think they really make a lime green bulb, at least that we could find for his car. So I asked him if he like considered tint, and he didn't even really know what I was talking about. So over Christmas, I ordered some lime green tint for the fog lights. So yeah, we're gonna be tinting those guys today. So let's give it a whirl. I've never done this before, so I watched a couple YouTube videos. I think it should be fairly self-explanatory, but I'm gonna do one side, focus on that, and then I'll come back and film the other side. For this install, I'm gonna be using this soapy water to clean off the light. Got some vinyl here, obviously. Got the squeegees to apply it, and the heat gun to kind of finish it off and get those edges wrapped. Here's his car, 99 Toyota Solara. These are the fog lights that we're gonna be tinting green. I'm actually thinking it might look okay. So I already cleaned this fog light off, used a little of this water in the spray bottle, and then just dried it off with a towel. And then I went back over with some alcohol and cleaned up any excess debris that was on there. So now that we have a clean light, we should be ready to go ahead and try to apply some of this tint. So I pre-cut a little section here, rectangle. Holy f***, this got all wet. God damn. Alright, so I tried to pre-cut a rectangle that will kind of fit on the light. This stuff came in a roll, so it's like super spiraled up. We'll see how the material actually lays once I get that backing off of it. Yeah, let's go ahead and give it a shot. Alright, so here's how it looks right now. You can't really tell on camera, but a couple of these spots, I went over it with this squeegee, and I don't know if it hurt the material, but it almost made like goo on it and like scratched the film. I'm gonna go ahead and try to continue with this just as normal for practice and see if at the end I could like clean it off, get any of that goo off. There are a couple bubbles in it, but I'm just gonna try this one as a practice, and if it ends up looking good, then I'll just keep it. If not, I got at least one practice run in before I continue along with the other side. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and take the heat gun, go around the edges, try to tuck them as best as I can, and then after that I'm gonna take the razor and cut it out. See how it goes. Alright, so that was the first time I've ever tried to do this tint stuff before. It turned out okay. It was fairly easy to apply, but now that I got it all on there, there are some bubbles, there's some scuffs on the tint itself. So I'm probably gonna go ahead and do it again. That was a good practice run. But let me show you what it looks like right now. So here it is. I'm actually pretty stoked with how it looks. On the camera you can't see all the air bubbles and stuff. There's not that many of them, but it's enough for me to want to redo it. There's that side compared to the clear side. So there's a good comparison. It's super noticeable because it's a fairly large fog light. I think my grandpa's gonna be pretty stoked on it. I'm excited to see his reaction. Wanted to give you guys a quick update. I did the other side, the passenger front fog light, and this side is going so much better. There's absolutely no air bubbles. I didn't use the squeegee at all, and I didn't use any water to soak down the light, so there wasn't any excess water. I just used the alcohol, and I actually pre-cut the tint to vaguely the same shape as the light, so there wasn't that much excess material to get in the way. It was a lot easier to work with. So let me show you right now. I just redid the driver's side fog light, and it turned out absolutely perfect. Even better than the other side now. Overall, I'm super pleased with how it turned out. Let me show you how it looks, and then we'll get the reaction from my grandpa. So there it is. It's the driver's side. And the passenger side. Super happy with how it turned out, especially for my first try here. So let's see what my grandpa thinks. Alrighty, ready for the big reveal?
I'm ready.
All right.
Our celebratory.
Been waiting a long time for this green fog light.
Like a 4th of July ceremony.
Oh man, that looks pretty good.
Oh my God.
What do you think?
Holy shit. Let me get and say, holy shit.
What do you think, Grandma?
Yeah.
They really look cool, son. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I think it turned out good.
Yeah.
Yeah, you did a good
Wow,
job.
look at
Yeah.
How about that?
Grandpa the race car driver. All right, what's the general consensus here?
You did.
The general consensus, it was excellent, super fantastic.
Heard it from the grandpa. He approves. Looking good.
Yeah.
If you guys like this video, drop a like down below. If you want to see more videos like this, click subscribe. See you on the next one. Peace out.